Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook pixels to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to the https://meta. Wait, let me show you the address, okay? This one, https://business.facebook.com settings. You have to head over to this text, okay? And then you have to create a meta account. If you already have a meta account, it is good, and if you don't have an account, just make one quickly. So after creating a meta account, you have to go to Shopify dashboard. From there you can see the mini search bar up here. Okay, let me show you. Here you have to search for AppX Facebook, AppX Facebook, and you have to install this one, okay, Facebook and Instagram. And now let's move forward to the next steps. You have to go to data sources on your meta account, then you have to tap onto data assets. From there you can create a Shopify demo like pixel account to add to your Shopify. And for this video purpose I already have a demo one, so I'm going to tap onto it. So after clicking onto it, you have to head over to the Shopify dashboard and you have to install this one as I previously mentioned. And then after installing that, you can see this option called connect account. You have to tap onto it. So after tapping onto it, you will see this site, like you have to add your official business account. Now you can add your Facebook business or Instagram official business account, and from there you have to choose the one which you want to connect and tap on to connect, and it will be start to finalize your steps. And after then you have to head over to your meta account, and from there you have to tap onto Shopify demo pixels, okay, here. And from there you have to find the option called choose a partner and then tap onto Shopify, okay. So after tapping onto Shopify, you have to tap onto send traffic, this option, and as you can see that mine pixel is now active. You have to tap next and then confirm, okay. So that's it. This is how you can connect Facebook pixel to Shopify. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.